Hello, Tom. I want to draw today.
Hello, Gracie. Drawing is nice. You are a good artist.
Thank you, Tom. I have my paper. I have my pencils.
That is great. What will you draw?
I want to draw a big, beautiful flower.
A flower is a great idea. I like flowers.
I will sit at this table. This is my favorite table.
Yes, it is a nice table. It is big.
I put my paper on the table. I put my pencils on the table. Oh,
What is wrong, Gracie?
my table moves. Look, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Oh no. The table is wobbly.
Yes, it is wobbly. I cannot draw on a wobbly table.
Do not worry, Gracie. I can fix it. I am an inventor.
You can fix the table?
Yes, I have many tools. And I have many ideas. I will get my tools.
Okay, Tom. Thank you.
I am back. I have my tools. And I have an idea. A super idea.
What is your idea, Tom?
The table has 4 legs. One leg is short.
Yes, I see. One leg is a little short.
I have a book. A big, thick book. I will put the book under the short leg.
A book? Okay, Tom. Try your idea.
Okay. I put the book under the leg. There. Is it good now?
Let me see. I will move the table. Oh, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
It still moves?
Yes, Tom, the table still moves. And now the book moves too.
My first idea is not good. I need a new idea. A better idea.
Do you have a better idea?
Yes, I have tape. Super strong tape. I will tape the leg.
You will use tape on the table leg?
Yes, the tape is very strong. It will stop the wiggle. Watch.
Okay, Tom, I am watching.
Okay. I put the tape on the leg. Lots of tape. There. Now, is it good?
I will check. Wiggle, wiggle. Oh, Tom.
It is not good?
No, it is not good. The table still moves. The tape is not strong enough.
Oh no. My super ideas are not super today.
It is okay, Tom. Your ideas are very creative.
But the table is still wobbly. You cannot draw your flower.
Tom, wait. I have an idea now.
You have an idea? What is it?
It is a very simple idea. Look, I have this, a small piece of wood.
That is a very small piece of wood.
Yes, the leg is a little short, so we need a little thing. I will put it under the leg.
Okay,
put the small wood under the leg.
There, it is under the leg. Now, let's check the table.
Is it wobbly?
No, it does not move. Look, it is perfect. The table is fixed.
Wow, Gracie. It does not wiggle. It is not wobbly.
My simple idea worked.
Your idea is very good. It is simple and very smart. Thank you, Gracie.
You are welcome, Tom. Now I can draw my beautiful flower.
And I will watch. I like to watch you draw.